Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't see part one where I showed you with this one, the new small firming brush, it did this, it did beautifully. I sweated a little bit and so but yeah, it did an amazing job. And now we're gonna see about this one, comparing these two. So let's go for it. Yes. All right, guys, so both of these. Hair didn't come out. There wasn't any shedding or anything of that nature. Do you need this? You don't need this in particular, no. However, I am super hot. So sorry. All I have is my wet one, which is fine because I don't plan on flat ironing this. But oh, I'm a little warm. Should have turned the air up. So my hair is refrizzing because I am sweating. I apologize. Do you absolutely need this? No. However, it's a nice to have, especially when it comes to getting into your roots. This is what I would use this for. This though, it took me maybe 3 minutes less. 3 minutes less. So this took me 10 minutes to do this side, and this took me about 6 or 7 minutes or so. So it does cut down the time because it's bigger, it's wider, you're able to get more hair. This gets more in the roots. But again, you don't need this. It's a nice to have. And yeah, they both do great. This does the same thing as this does on my short hair, and it straightens it and gets it ready for me to flat iron it. I wouldn't wear it unflat ironed just because, okay, maybe if my ends were better, maybe, but it didn't completely straighten out my ends to look really nice, and it's possibly because my ends are crappy. So I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's an attachment that you want to purchase or not. And yeah, but this retails for $40. I said in my last video, I believe it's $40. Yeah, $39.99. And yeah, so yeah, but the Dyson is still great. It's still great. I still love it, and it's still an amazing product to me, in my opinion. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and have a great weekend. Bye. Yeah, I would still buy this for even when my hair grows back long, this is definitely going to be used for my roots. But this covers more surface. So, yeah.